This is a 2011 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a 4-wheel independent suspension, front fog lights, dusk-sensing headlights, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Harris Ford Lincoln is Washington State's largest volume Ford dealer. We carry a huge available inventory of both new and pre-owned vehicles, priced to market and ready to own. We are a transparent dealership that shows you everything you need to buy with confidence. And because of that, we are also Washington's leading Google-rated Ford Lincoln dealer.